Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the impact of modern rice harvesting practices over traditional ones. Conducted by Kamrul, Hasan, Takashi, Tanaka, Monjurul, Rostom Ali, and Chayan Kumer Saha. First, we're talking about the objective. The objective of this research is to examine how modern rice harvesting practices affects traditional method. It also aims to compare their efficiency in terms of time, labor, and productivity. This study understands and helps farmers policy makers decide which harvesting methods are best suited for different situations. Next is the methodology. The researchers gathered data from rice farms using both traditional and modern harvesting methods. Traditional harvesting involves manual cutting using sickles and hand threshing, while modern harvesting uses machines like combine harvesters. The researchers compared the time needed, labor required, and the results of each method. By directing compare these methods, the study provides measurable data rather than options. It helps shows the area difference in efficiency labor demands between old and new approaches. Now let's proceed to the results and discussion. The results found that modern rice harvesting is faster and more efficient. Machine can harvest large areas in short time, which helps farmers save time and effort. It also reduces the needs for many workers and can increase productivity. However, modern harvesting also had some disadvantages. The machines are expensive and may not be afforded for small farmers. There are also concerns about environmental effects such as soil damage caused by heavy equipment. On the other hand, traditional harvesting methods are slower and requires more labor, but they are more suitable and provide jobs for many people. They are also more suitable for small-scale farmers. Faster harvesting is crucial during peak seasons to prevent crop losses because labor are also lower cost and makes large-scale farming more practical. Last, the conclusion. Modern rice harvesting practices offer better efficiency and productivity, but they come with higher costs and some environmental concerns. Traditionally, methods, while slower, remains important because they are accessible and support rural communities. Therefore, both methods are important, and using them wisely can help improve agricultural development. Both methods have valued. Choosing the right method depends on the farmer's resources, farmer size, and environmental considerations.